Hey everybody, it's Janice with Creating Through Chaos, and today we're going to make a Santa hat shelf sitter out of some scrap wood. So I had these 1x2s. I cut 2 pieces to 4 inches and 1 to 5.5 inches. Some greenery and berries from Dollar Tree, some black paint, some scraps of fabric, again I'm using the ticking fabric, and a rusty bell, and I also used some snow. So the first thing I'm going to do is glue all these pieces together just like that. So I'm going to put the 2 smaller pieces on top of the bigger piece. So I'm just using some wood glue and a little bit of hot glue, and the hot glue will hold it while the wood glue dries. Once I had it all together, I took my black acrylic paint and painted the entire hat. Once it was all dry, I took my ticking fabric and I had cut a strip of it, and I'm going to put it right above the brim of the hat. And I'm going to hot glue it into place all the way around to the back. Once I had that all attached, I'm going to start adding my greenery and my berries. So I just cut some of the pieces off of the pick that I had from Dollar Tree and just started hot gluing them in the bottom right-hand corner right on top of the ticking stripe fabric. After I had my greenery on, I took a piece of the ticking fabric and I just tied it in a knot so it had 2 ends to it. And then I hot glued that right under all of my greenery. And you won't see the knot that I tied in the center because I'm going to hot glue the rusty bell right on top of that. I mean, you could leave it like this if you wanted to. You don't have to add the bell. It's totally up to you. So once I had that on the way I wanted and I trimmed it up a little, I added my little rusty bell right on top of the knot that I made, and you can't see it. And all you can see is the little fabric ends sticking out, and I just think it's super cute. So I thought it was cute as it was, but I thought it needed a little something extra. So I took some of that snow and I put it right all along the top of the hat, some on the brim, and then I added a little to the berries, and I think that just finished off the look of this hat. I absolutely adore this. It was super easy to make and super inexpensive because I had most of the materials already on hand and the scrap wood was from another project. So always be sure to check your scrap wood and see what you can come up with for ideas. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this inspires you to make one, and please don't forget to spread the chaos.